What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can use your duplicate cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So currently the only way that you can use your duplicate cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket is for crafting flares. So if you go to your card collection right here, and I have this sorted by duplicates, you can see that I have a few duplicate cards. So let's click on this Paras right here, and let's click Obtain a Flare. So here you can see that for crafting flares, you would need duplicate cards and shine dust. So to craft a flare for this card, you would need to have 3 extra Paras cards and 50 shine dust. So that's at the moment the only way that you can use your duplicate cards. If you would like to know more about flares or how to craft them and equip them, you can watch this video right here. But that's how you can use your duplicate cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.